Yes.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17, Lordship. This matter may be taken up next week, Lordship. Oh, Lordship.
Review.
Review.
Okay. You mentioned is made on behalf of, you are for the
Petitioner.
petitioner, consent taken, isn't it?
Yes.
So both of you pray the learned on the submission.
He's
Okay.
not there.
Okay, then Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner has prayed for adjournment of the matter, which is, with the consent of the other side. In view of the above, list the matter in the next week.
Yes.
Hmm.
All right.
Yeah, my lord. My lord, I would like to mention item number 4, my lord.
Yeah.
Here, my lord, I am the local counsel, my lord. The leading counsel is from Guwahati, my lord. So, due to some unfortunate incident, my lord, in his family, he could not appear.
Okay,
So, can it be listed after 2 weeks?
okay, mention is made on behalf of the learned
RB
counsel
Pukon.
for the petitioner
Yes.
for adjournment of the matter. Since the counsel is not able to appear due to some personal difficulty. In view of the above, list
After
after
2 weeks, my lord.
Hmm.
Obliged, my lord.
May I, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing for a hearing on 30 January.
Why?
Leading because Standing Council of IOC was instruct me at the fixed date.
But was the date already fixed or what? We have to see the previous order
No.
for hearing. Some order must have been passed. It's ready for hearing.
Yes, Lordship.
Then we have to see. Simply saying 30th, see the order, when was it listed? Was the date fixed for that matter? And then see. Okay, so come with more definite this thing. Last order was this. However, we prayed for this, like that. Okay.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7.
Hmm.
I'm appearing on behalf of L. Parme, Standing Council for Agriculture Department. For respondent number 1, 2, 3, 6, and 8.
Hmm.
With consent of parties, Lordship, matter may be taken up after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Okay, mention is made on behalf of Mr. L. Parme, learned government advocate. Is it learned standing council?
Yes, Standing Council
For
for Agriculture,
respondents number 1, 2, 3,
6, and 8.
6, and 8. For adjournment of the matter with the consent from the other side. In view of the above list,
After 3 weeks, Lordship.
after 3 weeks, we'll fix a time frame after 3 weeks during the third week of February
Yes,
2026. Yes.
I move now.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8. Matter may be adjourned for today because your Lordship, leading counsel is due to some health issue. He could not appear.
Okay, who is he? Mention is made on behalf of Mr.
Adam Tatak.
Okay, so
On behalf of petitioner.
learned counsel for the petition for adjournment of the matter, consent taken with the consent
Yes,
from
yes.
the other side. Okay, in view of the above list, after 2 weeks.
Yeah, yes. Obliged.
Let's fix a date after 2 weeks on. Give a date.
5-2.
Okay, 5/2/2026.
Mayor Lordship,
Mhm.
I beg to mention item number 5. I'm appearing on behalf of N. Pada.
Hmm.
The standing council is out of station, conducting council.
Okay, same. Okay, consent taken.
Yes, I have taken consent.
Okay, same order. Okay, after same date, 5/2.
Obliged.
Item number 1.
One second. Last occasion, instruction was sold for by the government advocate.
Here, my lord, we need some more time, my lord. My lord, may I pray that, my lord, today, my lord, motion, notice may be issued, my lord. It's in motion stage, my
So
lord.
motionless.
And this is for the 4th time, my lord.
No, so here, this is the order.
Yes, my lord.
And submit said no interim protection is here. He shall obtain instructions is the last date.
Yes, madam.
Then what's the matter about that you have to obtain the notice was not issued?
No,
No,
madam.
yeah.
Okay, then you'll issue notice, the
Yes,
copy of the writ petition
Yes.
also they
Yeah.
have to. Okay. Mr. Ibam, is it?
Yes, your lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Ms. So-and-so, learned government advocate for the state respondents. On the submission made by the learned counsels, notice be issued to the respondents. Then Ms. So-and-so, learned government advocate, accepts notice on behalf of the state respondents.
All, madam. All, my lord. 1 to 4.
On state respondents, full stop. Copies of the requisite copies of the requisite requisite copies of the writ petition to be duly furnished to the learned government advocate list after 3 weeks during the second week of February
Yes, madam.
2026.
Yeah, lordship, there is a private.
Meanwhile,
respondent in-
Private respondent,
Okay.
respondent 5.
No, before list after, okay. Notice be issued to the private respondent number
5.
5 through registered post with AD within 3 working days, returnable by 3 weeks. List during the third week of February 2026.
And in the meantime, interim order. passed by the-
Meanwhile, interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Much better.
Item number 2.
May I please, my lord? My lord, the petitioner is seeking a direction from this honorable court for issue of notice and to so cause as to why a proceeding of contempt against the alleged contender should not be drawn for the willful disobedience of order dated 25/5/2025 in WPC number 619/2024, MSNT agency and the state of AP, passed by this honorable court, my lord. My lord, may I come to page number 10, my lord. Annexure 1 is the order.
Mhm.
My lord will find the operative portion in page number 28.
What are the respondents supposed to do?
They were supposed to assess the,
Where?
may I read, may I
Yes,
read the,
yes.
para
Para?
28.
28, huh?
Yes. In the view of aforesaid facts and circumstances and the discussions made above, this court is left with no other option but to interfere with the impugn order dated 28/10/2024, by which the technical bid of the petitioner was rejected. Consequently, all consequential action, including the issue of letter of intent and the work order in favor of the respondent number 5, stand interfered with and are accordingly set aside. The remaining part of the work is to be assessed, and the same is required to be allotted to L1 bidder who is found eligible in accordance with law. It is, however, made clear that so far as the work done by the respondent number 5 in the meantime is concerned, there will be no restrictions toward payment and release of the bill to the respondent number 5.
So
My-
you are respondent number 5,
No,
then?
my lord, I am a bidder.
Oh, okay.
My,
Okay, so you're the petitioner there, not
Yes.
respondent number 5, because even the respondent
the
number. five-
work was awarded to
payment.
respondent number 5.
So he's been paid, that's not your issue, you are the
Yeah.
petitioner.
Yes,
So what you want is
is,
to be assessed and.
Technical bid
required
has to be-
allotted to L1.
yes.
Are you the L1?
I'm also a bidder.
Okay,
It has to be assessed and L1 has to be declared
okay.
and the
fine.
work has to be awarded to the L1, which has not been done as yet.
Okay, so it's still the respondent number 5 who's taking,
Yes.
doing everything. Okay, fine.
The work is stopped now. It is not going on.
Okay.
It is only a day's work, my lord. It has to be evaluated and the work has to be awarded.
Anyway, heard Miss so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner who has filed the instant who has filed the instant contempt petition. Under Article 215 of the Constitution of India, read with section 11 and 12 of the Contempt of Courts Act, 1971, and Rule 9 of the Contempt of Court, within brackets, Guwahati High Court, close bracket, rules, 1977, for appropriate action against the respondents who had willfully not complied with the order of this court in
Page number 10.
no. I am looking at your contempt petition. Okay.
Yes.
Now in your contempt petition, the first part, page 2, come to page 2.
Yes, my lord.
Page 2, it is non-compliance of the order dated 16/09/2025.
The order passed by the single bench was,
This is
Appeal-
division bench order.
yes, it was filed before the DB. Yesterday it was.
So I think you have to correct this page 2.
Yes.
Okay. For non-compliance of the order of the, you make it single bench in
Yes.
so and so, okay, which was upheld
Yes,
by the division bench by the order. That has to be there. See, in page 2, that is not mentioned here. Your
yes,
course title. Are you getting my point?
yes, my lord.
So you make that little correction
Yes, my lord.
and then come again, maybe tomorrow.
Yes, my lord.
Heard Ms. Ananya Kassim, the petitioner who has prayed that there is some technical mistake in the course titles, and prayed that she may be allowed to make the necessary correction. Full stop. Praise aloud. Necessary corrections may not cost title, cost title / page 2 of the petition. Praise aloud. The necessary corrections may be made, put up on tomorrow's date. Okay, let me just see. You have seen your page 2, isn't it?
Yes, my lord, I have seen it.
Then, have you mentioned it anywhere else? No.
No,
Then in page, if you had just mentioned that WPC, it would have been okay.
obliged.
Tomorrow's date.
Item number 3.
Hmm.
Your Lordship, may I submit? Your Lordship, through this petition, we are challenging the advertisement dated 17 September 2025, published by the APSC for recruitment to the post of junior engineer. Although in this case there are many state respondents, Your Lordship, but we are primarily targeted towards the APPSC, the exam conducting agency. And the petition,
17/09/2025.
yes, Your Lordship.
Let's see that page
It is page number 28.
28.
Yes.
What's wrong with this?
Yes. Now the petitioners in this case, they are the persons with benchmark disability.
Hmm.
And in this case, we are raising the issue of uneven distribution, Your Honor. Uneven distribution of reservation, as well as illegal reservation for unidentified categories.
Hmm.
Now, if we look at page number 30 of the page 30, Your Lordship, of the same advertisement,
Hmm.
we see this page 29, Your Lordship, page 29.
Hmm.
In serial number 4, Your Lordship.
29.
Yes, page 29, serial number 4.
Hmm.
That is the for the post of junior engineer civil, public health engineering and water supply department. So in this department, they have reserved 8 posts for the PWGs. But what they have done is they have given reservation only to the 2 categories. That is blindness and low vision, and deaf and hard of hearing. 4 seats for the blindness and low vision, and 4 seats for deaf and hard of hearing. And no reservation has been made to any other category, Your Lordship, which is depriving the other.
So you are unhappy with the junior engineer, then the others, it's okay.
No, This is one issue, Your Lordship.
One.
Yeah. Now the other issue, Your Lordship, is that if we look at the page number 1, and it means serial number 1 of the advertisement, page 28, there they have reserved 2 categories for blindness and low vision for junior engineer civil.
Okay, so it's basically the post of junior
Yes, yes,
engineer
only these 2 years.
for Public Works Department and Public Health Department,
Yes.
where they have mentioned blindness and low vision and deaf and hard of hearing.
Yes.
No, here, but there's others also, locomotors, disability, including a lot has been included.
No,
Serial number 1.
yes, Your Lordship.
So this is okay.
This is no with the B and C, no issue, Your Lordship. With only A, blindness and low vision for the
Okay, 2 posts.
yes.
Oh, deaf
Then-
and hard hearing, 1 post. See, you're saying this should not be categorized like this.
Yes.
Is it?
So my conclusion is that the blindness and low vision that which they have reserved 2 posts for the post of junior engineer. This the junior engineer post doesn't come under the categorized group for the post of junior engineer for the blindness and low vision. They are not the unidentified post. I mean, they are not identified for the post of junior engineer. The reservation could not have been made for the blindness and low vision for the post of junior engineer. As per the gazetted
Okay,
notification.
so you're saying that giving a specific category is wrong.
Yes,
That is your
Yes.
submission.
because junior engineer, they are not identified as suitable candidates for the post of junior engineer as per the gazetted notification of now.
I'm not getting your point. So they have this thing categorized 2 posts for blind and low vision,
Yes,
then 1 post for deaf and hard hearing, isn't it?
1 post for locomotor disability.
Okay, so
Now-
for this, so you're saying this is wrong?
Regarding deaf and hard of hearing and locomotor, this is fine, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Only
this is
A.
fine.
Blindness and low vision.
So you're saying they're not fit for blind, these people having blindness and low vision,
Yes,
they are not fit for the
they
work.
have not been identified for the post of junior engineer as per the gazetted notification of India, Your Lordship.
Let's see the gazette notification.
That is
Because I'm not getting your point. I don't know what.
page number 36, Your Lordship.
36,
And the relevant portion, Your Lordship, is that is in page number 40. Junior engineer civil.
Civil,
Yes. So there, your Lordship will say this the third row. This is A, B, C. They have given. These are the categories who are identified for the post of junior engineer, Your Lordship.
Oh, so this blind and this thing is not
Yes.
there.
Now it is not here in this
But
case.
it is not in conformity with okay, this notification.
Yes.
We'll show this thing notice, let's see. We'll make it short here.
Now, Your Lordship,
What else?
I'm praying for interim prayer, Your Lordship.
With the advertisement is till which date?
Of-
What does it say? Last date for application or what?
No, the
Reservation?
exam is scheduled on 24th of this month, Your Lordship.
24th.
Oh, yes. So at least in respect of the reserve categories, Your Lordship. Other categories are not concerned. Only in respect of the reserve categories, that may be stated, Your Lordship.
Okay, but this thing. But the other categories, they go ahead, then there'll be a separate date for the reserved or what?
Yes, yes.
Won't
So,
that cause
yes,
some
so
confusion?
I'm saying that, yes, in respect of the reserve categories, the examiners may be stayed.
But then won't that be a problem?
No, Your Lordship, because the other regular candidates, they'll appear. Only the reserve categories, Your Lordship.
So, but is there a separate exam for the reserved categories?
No, the APCCS,
Then if it goes ahead for the others,
then Your Lordship, at least the,
so we'll, what we can do it can go ahead, but this thing result will be subjected to this, the outcome of the repetition.
yes, but
Then I
Your Lordship,
think it will be safe.
at least the result, then the result may be stated.
Uh-huh.
The result, the declaration of result, Your Lordship. The result
But,
declaration,
Issue is here, here the issue is regarding the reservations, my lord,
Mhm.
of the
So
disability
it
category.
can Go ahead.
Exams can go ahead, the ratio of reservation for the disability, that will be subject to outcome. Why
That-
to yes.
No, that cannot, but that's what I'm saying, that all the question papers, they will know, a
Yes,
separate question
Yes.
paper will have been made.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Cannot
Your Lordship,
display,
it is
yeah?
the result not of no state for
Uh-huh.
success. The
The reservation, ratio of reservation, my lord,
Mhm.
that may be,
Ratio of
that will be
reservation,
subject to
not
outcome.
understanding your point, but I'll make it short so that later we can have a closer look, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyways, heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner who has filed the instant writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India by arraying the advertisement issued by the Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission dated 17/09/2025 for conduct of the Junior Engineer Common Recruitment Examination, 2025 for filling up of posts, for filling up of 413 posts across various departments. The learned counsel submits that in the said advertisement, the reserve for PWBD, okay, persons with disability, PWDB, it's not in conformity with the notification issued by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, dated 04/01/2021.
and
That's your point,
Yeah,
isn't it?
and also it is not in conformation with the Rights of Person with Disabilities Act 2016.
And also not in conformity with the rights of persons with disability Act 2016.
16.
Full stop. Full stop. The learned counsel further prayed that the said in input notification may be stayed concerning the reservations made in the said advertisement, in the impugned advertisement. Okay, full stop. Then, on hearing the submissions made by the learned counsels, this court find it appropriate to issue notice of motion to the respondents. Yes, then Mr. So-and-so
I appear for one,
accepts notice on behalf of respondents number one,
then 4 to 8.
4 to 8, and Mr. So-and-so accepts notice on behalf of respondents number 9, comma, Mr. So-and-so accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 2 and 3, and Mr. So-and-so. Okay, so and will be in the end, rest will be commas. Okay. No need to issue formal notice. Requisite extra copies to be duly furnished to the learned counsels for their respondents. List after 3 weeks. Okay, first up. On the submission made by the learned counsel for stay of the operation of the note advertisement dated 17/09/2025 regarding the reservation made for persons with okay, PWBD. This court find it appropriate that the results regarding the reservation would be
My lord, instead of saying results, my lord, the number of reservation for the disabilities with disability persons will be subject to outcome of this.
No, Your Lordship, I'm praying for the stay of the result of the.
Why stay, my lord?
Because-
The number of reservation for the
yes,
person with disabilities shall be subject to outcome.
Now, Your Lordship, if the result is declared before the outcome of this case.
this is just the
The
first,
reservation will,
this thing, recruitment examination.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So, concerning your submission, we'll leave it as it is because this is just an advertisement till now. Okay, let them go ahead with the advertisement, whatever result will be a long term. After the examination, if you feel that results are now going to be this thing, then I think you can pass for a stay of the results. At this initial stage, has prayed for the stay, okay, of the further process of the advertisement regarding the reservation for PWD. This court find it court find it no, this court finds that it may be premature at this stage to stay the process of the advertisement, since the issue is only regarding the quarter for made for reservation of PWDs, isn't it?
Yes.
Accordingly, the prayer for interim order at this stage stands rejected. Then list after 3 weeks.
Obligement.
Item number 6.
Yeah, Your Lordship, I would like to seek adjournment, Your Lordship.
Right, what is the stage? 6.
So I have misplaced my file, Your Lordship.
Oh, okay.
I couldn't prepare. Your
You are
Lordship.
for the petitioner?
No, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I am for the
Respondent?
petitioner.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyways, Mr. So-and-so learned government advocate.
Yes, Your Lordship.
For respondents number 1 and 2 has prayed for adjournment of the matter, which is not objected by Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. In view of the above, when did you find your files?
Your Lordship.
After 2 weeks?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, list after 2 weeks on, give a date.
Lordship, any date,
6.
first week of February, Lordship.
February, okay, on 6/02/2026. Yes.
Obliged.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 9.
Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the state service in respect of respondent numbers 6 to 12 are completed. And the state respondent has are yet to file their affidavit.
May, Your Lordship, we are yet to receive our extra copies. Sir.
You're giving extra copies, orders already there, isn't it?
Extra copies.
Anyways, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioners is present, along with Ms. So-and-so, learned government advocate for the state respondents. It is seen that the notice upon the private respondents, is it 6
Yes.
to 12, is deemed to be complete by this court's order dated 18/11/2025. None appeared on behalf of the private respondents. The learned government advocate has also prayed for time to file their counter affidavit. Yes,
Extra copies may be served, Your Lordship.
there's already an order, isn't it? You follow that? Okay, anyway, full stop. Extra copies of the writ petition to be duly furnished upon the learned government advocate. List after 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Okay, during the 3rd week of February 2026.
Item number 10.
May I please, my lord? My lord, I appear on behalf of M. Khato, my lord. As per instruction, no instruction has been received, my lord.
So you're not going to file, or what?
My lord, this has taken since this has been consecutively 8 times. They have taken the time.
Ah,
Mhm.
so
Communication has been made.
since you don't have any counter to file.
Yes, my lord, communication has been made, but no
Ah.
instruction received from the department, my lord.
So are they
So
going to
some more
file
time.
or not file?
Yes, I will file, my lord. But some more time may be given, my lord, for instruction, my lord.
So you make an attempt to contact them personally, find out, isn't it? Are they going to contest the writ petition, or are they going to not contest and agree? Then will grant the prayer made by the writ petitioners? What is it the matter about?
Yeah, this is regarding the intensely absent. Actually, in this case, the petitioner is not He has not deserted from his office.
Dismissal, huh?
Yes.
So
In
no.
fact, there was we have not been served the notice also. Neither we have served the notice, nor we have been asked for the trial also. There was totally a violation of that rule also. In fact, there was gross violations of the natural justice.
So maybe the same respondents also find that there's a violation, so they don't want to file their count. They have no counter, is it?
So, my lord, 1 week time may be given to seeking instruction.
Anyway, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with
I think, my lord, this may be the last chance for them because it has taken
Mr. So-and-so.
unreasonable time.
You are appearing on behalf of the Mr. M. Kato, is it?
Kato, my lord.
Appearing on behalf of Mr. M. Kato, learned deputy SGI, representing the respondents, full stop. The learned counsel for the respondents have prayed for yet another date to file their counter affidavit, full stop. It is seen that this matter has been kept pending.
Since 2024.
Okay, since 2024,
Right.
waiting for the respondents to file their counter affidavit. In view of the above, this court finds it appropriate to give final chance to the respondents to file their counter affidavit, if any. After 2 weeks, okay,
My lord, that may be fixed. 10th of February.
on 10th, have it ready by then, okay, and on 10 to 2026.
26.
Yes.
My lord.
Deeply.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 11.
My lord, I am for respondent, Rajiv Gandhi University.
What?
Rajiv Gandhi University, respondent. He is a petitioner.
Yes, I know. So what's the?
May I please? My lord, here challenging the notification issued by the Rajiv Gandhi University to conduct the interview for promotional post from section officer to the assistant register post. Here, I'm challenging this notification in only 2 grounds. Number 1 ground, the BC, the former BC, while he was about to retire their tenure in the BC, during his last tenure, at the verge of their retirement, they conducted the present interview. Because here, one clear instruction from the UGC, Annexure 8 of my petition, kindly peruse page number 73. Page number 7. Here clearly instructed at the time of retirement period of the head of the institution, there shall not be conduct any interview or selection on the staff. Here, relevant person, subject instruction for head, chairman of autonomous bodies, reach initiating action to make selection at least 2 months before concluding their tenure. I am directed to bring to your notice the general convention to the government that the head/chairman of the various organizations do not conduct selection few months before they conclude their term in the office. The competent authority has directed that the heads or chairman of the organization under the control of this department should refrain from initiating any action to make selection at least 2 months before the expiry of their tenure, their terms or retirement. Here, my lord, the former BC was joined at the Rajiv Gandhi University as a BC on 4/10/2018 and for 5 years tenure. And after completion of 5 years tenure, their tenure of 1 year was extended till 3/10/2024. And in the advertisement was issued on 28th August 2020. Interview, my
Okay, so this is
annexure.
the advertisement.
Yes,
Advertisement dated 28/08.
yes. Here,
Okay, because this advertisement was, wait, let me try to understand it. On 28/08/2024, you say which is not in conformity with the annexure which you read just
exactly,
now.
exactly. It's a violation of the instruction issued by the UGC. That is one ground. And another ground is that UGC has clearly and repeatedly instructed to the RGU, the Rajiv Gandhi University, to not conduct or hold any interview until and unless RRCRR has been framed by the university and same was approved by the UGC. It was not
Recruitment
followed.
rules, okay, there's
Yes.
no recruitment rules.
The recruitment rules. It was not been complied by the university. So I would like
So
to,
without recruitment rules, how can they go ahead?
my lord, there clearly instruction has been given. Instruction has been given. And if there are complications, they have to write letter to the UGC for approval. My lord, I want to read one notification, page number 89.
Okay, are all the parties represented here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, 89, huh? Really,
Then
it is
next,
complicated or not?
and relevant portion 96, annexure 13 onward, this is letter issued from the UGC. Relevant operate portion is page number 96. This is how to promote the section officer to the assistant registrar. The criteria is given. Here, all the criteria, the model rule was framed by the RGU and it was sent for approval. And there, UGC, while receiving the letter sent, model requirement rule sent for the RGU, while examining the authority, the observation is made here. Here, assistant register is particular for my post. Similarly, for the post of assistant register, the higher grade pay of rupees so and so under CS has also been provided, which is not permissible as per rules of UGC/Government of India rules. The above are example only. University has made a lot of irregularities in each of the posts while making the requirement rules. The university has also not met the preamble for requirement rule as per requirement of DOPT norms. Being serious irregularities made in the requirement rules, it would be more appropriate that university may be advised to immediately withdraw the requirement rules and keep in abeyance any requirement and promotion on the basis of these requirement rules. If the university had made any promotion under the provision of the requirement rules in violation of the Government of India rules, it may be withdrawn immediately. This is the observation given by the UGC. And
okay.
Here, last, one more documents I want to rely. Here, page number 99, annexure 15. Here also, UGC write a letter to the all central university, 45 numbers of central university. Here, write a letter for submission of the model requirement rule prepared by the own university for approval. And after submission of this letter, the university write a letter. This is next page, page 16. Page 16. This is letter submitted by the Registrar Rajiv Gandhi University. The column, whether university has framed the CRR of non-teaching staff, yes or no? Answer, no. Age of 29/9/2022, the university did not submit any RR rule for
So
non-teaching
now
staff.
do you have any RR rules? Respondent, are you having any RR rules? So I think that's it. Those are your 3 points. Any rules? Do you have any rules? RR rules, recruitment rules?
My lord, we are adopting the model cadre recruitment rule of 2022. That is issued by.
So wait, so does the advertisement say? Let's see the advertisement.
Moreover, my lord, let me clarify the model rule as my learned press submitted, they adopted. Actually, it cannot be adopted. Here clearly, UGC clearly instructed in my page number 102 NXR 18. Here clearly instructed. The UGC repeatedly asking for submission of the model requirement rule, and thereby the university is saying they want representative, two representatives from Rajiv Gandhi University to discuss with the UGC, and they are finding here. I have annexed here clearly mentioned the CRR is only for model, only for model.
So
it
you
cannot be
adopt-
applicable.
Is there an order adopting the model rules?
No, no such rule, no such order.
Well, I'll come after. Let him finish.
No, but no, I just want to see, I'm just saying if it needs proper in-depth, this thing, this is at the admission hearing, we'll admit the appeal and then list it for hearing. So I want to see whether it needs a really in-depth or it's black and white, which we can dispose of. Now, this thing, is there an order adopting the?
Ladyship, we are the Central University, that is lone Central University state, and we have our own university recruitment of 2015, but that was rejected by the.
So you cannot use
we cannot use that, and it is already here, which was rejected on 2017. 15, this recruitment rule was rejected in 2017 by the central government. Then now, as per letter dated 2022, the 27 September 2022, issued by the union UGC, that to all the registered, all central university. That's
But you
45.
should have your distinct recruitment.
Yes,
rules,
we
isn't
are adopting this recruitment. This
So is there an
model
order showing that you adopted, can it be adopted? Is it?
And Lordship, here, according to UGC, constituted the expert committee for the purpose, and based on the committee recommendation, the commission approved the model cadre recruitment rule for non-teaching position in its meeting held on 22 September 2022. So, as per this letter, now we have to apply. We have to adopt this, and we are adopting this. And then that's why after adopting this, I'll come to my
See if you have this thing, any written communication saying that you're adopting it, because simply silently adopting it will become a problem for you, isn't it? So this is a challenge to the advertisement. After the advertisement, anything happened? It stayed.
No, state.
Okay.
My lord, I'll
process
come
has
to
not
the point.
started.
Since we are university, central university, we are functioning without assistant registrar post. And as per the letter issued by dated 3/11/23 from Ministry of Education Department to Ministry of Education Department of Higher Education, Government of India. My affidavit in opposition, page 92.
Wait, so no, let's see the impugned notification. This is page 25, is it? Written test.
Yes, yes. My
This is the one.
grievances, yes.
This is the impugned.
My impugned and my ground for dissatisfaction, because one seniority, direct promotional post is based on seniority basis. So if the such kind impose such rules imposed upon the all senior member, if the seniority, I have served for more than 20 years in section officer, and condition given is only qualification for promotion is 7 years. If my junior come and supersede at my position, how I will be? That is my challenging before the Honorable Court. Yes.
No,
Earlier,
my lord, 50% direct.
Yes, among the 50% direct.
Selection method through written test.
Yes.
And there is seven this candidate who is qualified for this assistant registrar.
Okay, this needs an in-depth look into your
Yes.
writ petition. You have a case. Okay, so you, both of you have a case. So we will admit to the same writ petition and we'll list it for full hearing. You
My
have
lord,
a date,
my lord,
okay?
my lord,
Next date, any
dispose
date.
this matter.
Huh.
Dispose this matter since we are
No,
running
court
without,
is not inclined to dispose.
without
right?
running-
Because justice would not be done in a hurried manner. Okay, so heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the respondents. On hearing the submissions made by the learned counsels for both the parties, this court finds that the instant writ petition needs a in-depth hearing. Accordingly, the writ petition is admitted. List for hearing on, you give a date,
And
when
that-
of
that,
you, both of you for hearing,
next, the day after tomorrow.
not day after tomorrow, impossible. Okay, because this court is going to sit only this week. So in the next week,
Next week, next day.
okay,
Yeah.
so list.
We will have that fixed that.
Yes, we'll have a fixed date, no, a list on, let's make it on the 29th. Let's see if the
29th.
bench will be willing. Okay, list on 29/01/2026.
Lodge,
Yes.
lodge.
Highly obliged.
Item number 12 and 13.
Wait, please, your lordships.
Yes.
So it's a tender matter, readings are also complete. And my lord friends also filed an I. Can it be fixed on 3rd of February, my lord, for final disposal?
Okay.
my lord.
On the submissions made by the learned counsels for both the parties, matter may be listed on
3rd of February.
3/03/02/2026, wherein an attempt may be made for final disposal of the matter.
My lord, the interim order in item number 13 may be continued.
Meanwhile, interim order passed in WPC number 163/2025 is to continue till the next date of listing.
Obliged, ma'am.
Item number 14.
Then Lordship, this matter, Lordship, while passing the, on motion stage, Lordship, order passed, but Lordship, no notice was issued, Lordship, against the private respondent, Lordship.
Okay, I heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that since there is no order for issuance of notice to the private respondent's number, private respondent's
Yes.
number,
Number 6, Lordship.
to the private respondent number 6, he prayed that he may be allowed to take steps for issuance of notice upon the private respondent.
Or
Uh,
Lordship may allow to Dusty mood also, Lordship. Dusty as well as,
Why, what is the urgency? The learned counsel also submits that he may be allowed to serve notice upon to the private respondent since there is some urgency in the matter. Full stop. On hearing the submissions made, this court find it appropriate that notice should be issued to the private respondent number 6 through registered mode with AD within 3 working days, returnable by 3 weeks.
Lordship, 3
And-
is too long, Lordship.
Okay, 2 weeks, along with, 2 weeks, full stop. Notice may also be issued to the private respondent through dusty mode, and affidavit to that effect is to be duly filed. Full stop. This the matter,
After 2
after
weeks.
2 weeks on, give a date.
No, this is required, Lordship, after 2 weeks.
No, we have to fix some timeline because I think this idea came up because in some cases in the principal seat, when you say after 3 weeks,
Yes, Lordship.
the matter used to come up maybe after 1 year also. Okay, when you say 3 weeks, after 2 years, so matters were kept pending. So it's better, some timeline at least. After 2 weeks, during the second week, during the 3rd week of February.
16th February.
16 February.
Okay, on 16/02/2026.
And Lordship, interim may be continued, Lordship.
Meanwhile, interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Much obliged.
Obliged.
When we fix dates, I think the councils also can be more prepared, isn't it?
Much obliged.
Item number 15.
Your Lordship may kindly peruse the last order dated 8th of 12/2025. Considering the nature of issues raised, they were directed to file their affidavit by today.
Yes, Your
Where's
Lordship.
the affidavit?
We have sent the communication, but yet to receive our affidavit, Your Lordship.
Vessel, the order.
Therefore, Your Lordship, we
Early
had prayed that-
disposal is required, whatever
Yes,
the
yes.
case is about. What is
Because
the
the-
case about? Okay.
My lord, the punishment has
Town
been
Bureau
imposed. Yes,
submitted.
suspended. That is not contemplated under law, my lord. The
So
Only
suspension is for,
two more weeks. Your
we will
Lordship.
give them final chance.
yes,
Okay,
my
2
lord.
weeks.
Otherwise, my lord, at least my interim may be considered on the next day.
Okay. Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Ms. So-and-so, learned government advocate for the state respondents, full stop. The learned government advocate has prayed for 2 weeks' time to file their counter affidavit, full stop. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner has expressed urgency in the matter since the petitioners as of date are suspended. Is it?
Yes, my lord.
Suspended from their appointment as Gaun Guras.
Yes.
Gaun Buras.
Gamuras, yes.
Gaun Buras. And further pray that if a counter affidavit is not filed, the prayer for an interim order may be considered. Concerning the submissions made to this court, find it fit to give final chance to the government advocate to file their counter affidavit, failing which the prayer for an interim order may be considered. Yes, fix on.
5th of February, my lord.
No, Your Lordship, the conducting counsel, she is Miss G.A.T., Your Lordship, she will not be available.
Okay.
My
Last
learned
week
friend
of
made a
February.
prayer for 2 weeks. We're
If
fixing
this
a
is
date
for the
after
last
2
time,
weeks.
Your Lordship may provide the date.
Okay.
Let it be on 5th of February.
11, Your Lordship.
Okay. we'll
11
make
or
it
12.
12.
Yes, Your
Okay.
Lordship. 12.
In view of the above, as sought for, list on 12/02/2025, 26, yes.
Obliged, Lord.
Item number 16.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I am praying for disposal of this writ petition with a simple direction to the respondent authorities to consider my representation, thereby make a fair verification of the disputed land, Lordship.
Let's see,
Lordship,
your representation.
my representation at page 37. The background of the case is, Lordship.
This is representation dated.
Dated 10/7/2025.
Okay,
In
not
fact,
quite
legal,
recent, huh?
yes,
Hmm.
page 37, Lordship.
Mhm.
It's a little lengthy, though may I read, Lordship. It's cover entire fact of the case, Lordship. Subject to representation, prayer for acquiring the ITBP's occupied
No,
land.
let's see the prayer portion, not the whole thing.
Prayer portion, Lordship,
Your
my land,
representation, you must have made a prayer. Yes, page
Yes.
43.
yes. In view of the aforesaid fact and circumstances, we highly requested your good office to kindly look into the matter seriously and may take immediate and appropriate action in regards to the acquisition of the ITBP's occupied land measuring about 100 acres situated at Mechuka, Siomi district of Arunachal Pradesh as per the Land Acquisition Act 1894 or Right to Fair Compensation and Transparency Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Settlement Act 2013 and fairly compensate the original landowners or return the aforesaid land to the original landowners for the interest of justice. What happened, Lordship? The petitioners had 100 acres of land at Mechuka
Okay.
that has been under occupation of the,
Respondents.
yes,
So you
ITBP,
prayed-
Lordship.
you prayed that this thing.
Yes. Even they have not initiated any action for acquisition, Lordship. That is we are not claiming back our land, though, Lordship, it has to be acquired as per the provisions under the law.
So if limited prayers there will allow, representation is dated,
10/7, my lord.
where's the date given?
10/7. It is,
Receipt date, my lord.
yes.
Receipt on
Date
11/7.
received, oh, received on this.
11/7.
Okay.
And that is for 44.
Okay.
That is mentioned at phase 4.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that the instant writ petition filed under Article 226 of the Constitution is for compensation
For acquisition, Lordship.
for acquisition of the landed properties of the petitioners who are owners of Barangang.
Yes,
It's
Barangang
located
Palace.
at
Mechuka.
Mechuca, comma,
Mechuka Siomi district.
Siyomi district, measuring about
100.
acres, which has been utilized by the Indian Army
Yes.
and therefore, all right,
Now it is occupied by 20 ITBP.
utilized by, and thereafter occupied by the ITBP,
Yes, Lordship.
wherein the petitioners have not been given any compensation for the occupation of their landed property. Full stop. The learned counsel submits that the instant writ petitions can be disposed of if an order is made for the respondents to consider their representation filed before the concerned authorities dated and thereafter received by the the secretary is what, respondent number?
Respond number
By the
3, my lord.
secretary,
3, my
land management.
Wait.
Slash respondent number 3 on 11/07/2025. Full stop. The learned counsel submits that the said representation has been lying till date without consideration and that a direction may be passed that the said representation made by the respondents, by the petitioners should be considered and disposed of at an early date. Stop.
Lordship, may I take it, same connected writ petition was disposed of on 22/6/2023. I have enclosed the order also.
Okay, very good.
Page 68, my lord.
Page 54,
68.
and the relevant portion is 69.
The learned counsel further submits that in a similar manner, the coordinate bench of this court in WPC number
One-
what, 1 to
Lordship,
1.
1/1 of 2019.
2019 had also passed such an order
Yes,
for the respondents to consider the representation made by the petitioners
Lordship.
and
Lordship,
pray that a similar order may be passed.
yes,
So,
Lordship,
Huh.
here at para
6
5
months,
of the said order,
huh.
6-month time period was given, Lordship, to
Yes, sir.
verify.
Similar order by
Yes,
giving a 6 months time for the respondents to wait, to verify.
yes, Lordship.
To verify,
Claim of the petitioners.
wait, yes, to verify the claim of the petitioners.
Hmm.
And thereafter,
And during the,
claim of the petitioners by giving
yes,
a fair
Process.
opportunity to the ITBP
ITBP,
of being heard in the matter.
yes.
Full stop.
The exercise is to be
Mm.
completed within
No,
period.
I think I've mentioned 6 months.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Full stop. Then Miss So-and-so learned government advocate for the state respondents and Mr. So-and-so appearing on behalf of Mr. Marco, learned deputy so-and-so, submits that they have no objection to the disposal of the instant writ petition by passing a similar order as passed by the coordinate bench of this court in WPC number 121/20.
Yes, ma'am. Here, my direction may be given to respond number 6, madam, Deputy Commissioner, madam.
The learned government advocate also submits that a specific direction may also be given to the respondent
Eight,
number.
madam.
Oh, sorry.
Respondent
Eight,
number
Eight, madam.
eight
Yeah.
for taking the necessary steps.
Yes,
In view of the above, so I'll pass the order disposed of.
Lots. Deeply obliged.
Item number 18.
Yes.
Please, your ladyship. I'm for the petitioners. This is a petition regarding non-payment of GST in connection with work executed for the construction of RCC bridge over Pog Lake River by the respondent number 4, who was the power of attorney. So I pray your lordship, ladyship, that final chance may be given. They have not yet filed their affidavit.
But who is respondent number 4? Notice complete?
No, yes.
Note says that the same AD card not received from respondent number 4. Who is respondent number 4?
Respondent number 4 is the power of attorney holder.
So I think they are also necessary party to be considered. Is it
Earlier,
so?
your lordship, I've taken steps.
Okay, we'll wait for return of AD card.
Yes.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Ms. So-and-so. Learned government advocate for respondents number 1, 2, and 3. Full stop. So are you going to file a counter?
We have already filed, madam.
Respondent number 2 and 3 have your ladyship. Already they have
Learned
filed.
Government advocate submits that they have already filed their counter affidavit. Full stop. It is seen that new para, okay? It is seen that AD card upon respondent number 4 is not returned till date. In view of the above, we may await for return of AD card from respondent number 4. List on, after 3 weeks, okay, during the last week of February 2026.
Much of.
Item number 19.
None appeared for the parties on court, list after 3 weeks.
Item number 20.
I'm for the petitioner, Your Lordship.
So what is the stage?
Your Lordship, they are yet to file their reply.
Counter affidavit?
My lord, I've already filed counter affidavit. Actually, my lord, this
Here, yes, the government advocate submits that the matter has become infructuous.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Your Lordship, even so, it is very necessary to ascertain on what grounds they have disqualified my client, the petitioner. That they have yet to
So what
establish.
is your prayer? Your prayer portion, whether your prayer portion is still surviving or not, we have to see what have you prayed for in the writ petition. If it's something to do with elections are already held, then so what have you prayed for in your writ petition, whether it's become infructuous or not? You get instructions whether you want to pursue the matter or not.
Yes, Your Honor.
My lord,
Okay,
only prayers that disqualification order should be set aside and quashed. Now, tenure completed, election already conducted, and new
So
members
you get
come.
instructions
Nothing
next day
to do.
if there are any grounds to pursue the writ
Your Honor, we
petition?
want to pursue the matter because we want the reply on what grounds they have disqualified the petitioners.
Okay, so you want their counter affidavit, but
Yes,
have you filed a counter
Yes, I
affidavit?
have already filed.
So
We have
you have
not-
received?
No, Your Honor.
You have not received the counter affidavit? Okay, then we'll see. You see, because pursuing the writ petition
Already
is the
there is a
matter.
counter.
Respondent number?
3.
3. You are yet to receive from respondent number 2 as well, Your Honor.
Two is whom? Respond government.
Yes, Your Honor.
So get file a counter if any. or if you're going to depend upon, rely upon the counter by respondent number 3, get the necessary instructions.
For one, we have already filed, Your Lordship. For two,
So, this thing, counter by 1, are you required to file a separate counter for 2? Or he's going to rely on the respondent number 1?
we'll
What?
file, Your Lordship.
You'll file?
Your Lordship.
Okay. And please file and then see whether the writ petition can be disposed of. Okay, don't keep matters pending. Okay, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is present, along with Ms. So-and-so, learned government advocate for respondent number 1 and 2, and Mr.
D. Laji.
D. Lazi, learned counsel for respondent number 3. The learned counsels for the respondent number 1 and 3 submit that they have already filed their counter affidavits. First up, the learned government advocate has paid for time to file the counter affidavit for respondent number 2. In view of the above, list the matter after when? 2 weeks on? Give any date?
2 weeks.
Give a date, give a date. Any date, when will you be ready? Then file and then we'll see whether we need to continue.
11, Lordship.
On 11 to 26, and thereafter, this court will consider the submission made by the government advocate that the writ petition has become infructuous since fresh elections had taken place on 15th of December 2025.
Obligation. Lordship, there is interim may continue in this.
What is interim?
That suspension of order. Suspension of the
Disqualification order, my lord.
order.
No, they are no longer in the post. How order can be continued, my lord?
You see, don't be, wait, let's see, if where's the interim, what is the nature of the interim order? Here,
2907 of 24. Report
29,
07 of 2024.
no, I think there's a mistake. 2907,
Yes, Your Lordship.
there's no interim order unless there's an IA. Is there an IA? The first order was passed on 13/08/2024. Okay, see, the impugned order is 2907, but the interim order was passed on 13/08/2024. Okay, anyway, meanwhile, interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Because there's no order for vacation, then in the next date, we'll see.
Lordship, new member has already been appointed.
So whether it's infructuous or not, we'll see in the next date.
Obligation.
Okay.
Item number 21.
Yes, none appeared for the petitioner on call, while Ms. So-and-so, learned government advocate for the state respondents is present. It is seen by the office note dated 20/08/2026 that the petitioner has not taken steps for issuance of notice upon the respondent, the number 2 to 17. In view of the above, list the matter after 3 weeks. Meanwhile, the petitioner may take the necessary steps. Yes.
Item number 22.
Yes.
This is also a panchayat matter, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is present, along with Ms. So-and-so, learned government advocate for the state respondents, who has prayed for further time to file the counter affidavit.
No, we have filed our affidavit. Your Lordship.
Okay, along with who submits that, the state respondents have filed their counter affidavit. Then who is the other respondents? Anyone else?
Respondent 6.
6 is which department? Who is 6? Private?
Mandal President.
Okay, it is seen that none appeared for respondent number 6, and the respondent number 6 is yet to file their counter affidavit. In view of the above, must be 5 and 6, not only 6.
Yes.
5 and 6, okay. And none appeared for respondent 5 and 6. This the matter after 3 weeks for respondent number 5 and 6 to file their counter affidavit.
Also,
Yes.
panel of presenting Big Bay.
Now we'll see in the next date. They're not here also. Yes.
Item number 23.
Yes, affidavit in opposition not filed yet?
Yes, Your Lordship, we may kindly allow us 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is present, along with Ms. So-and-so, learned government advocate for the state respondents. And the learned government advocate has prayed for
3 weeks time.
3 weeks' time to file their counter affidavit. In view of the above, list after 3 weeks on when will you be able to file on?
But 25, Your Lordship.
On
25 Feb, huh?
25/02/2026 for the government advocate to file their counter affidavit positively. Yes.
I will oblige.
Item number 24.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Oh, yes. We wanted to appoint an arbitrator, isn't it?
Lordship.
The petition is, arbitration petition is for appointment of an arbitrator.
Correct, Lordship.
So not objected, for both the parties consensus take, who do you want to appoint?
Lordship, as per notification, 21st May 2024, Lordship, there is a notification. From that notification, Lordship, I am suggesting, Lordship, serial number 9, Lordship, Honorable Mr. Justice C.R. Sharma, Lordship.
Okay, agree with? So let's see the last order. Oh, it's here, it's here. Okay, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner appears through VC, full stop, Mr. So-and-so, learned deputy DJSI appears on behalf of the
What the respondent?
on behalf of the respondents, full stop. It is seen that the instant petition is filed under section 11 within bracket 6 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, 1966 for appointment of an arbitrator. Full stop. On the consensus of both the parties, this court find it appropriate to appoint Mr. Justice C.R. Sharma. Now, with the full address, okay, next, this thing is a full address, former Judge Guwahati High Court, house number so-and-so. Okay. This is in serial number 9, I'm reading it as so-and-so. Okay. Accordingly, the instant writ petition stands disposed of. Copy of the said order to be duly furnished to the learned arbitrator for further necessary arbitrator and the parties will take necessary steps before the learned arbitrator. This is consent required, no? Before the arbitrator by appearing necessary on her. When do we fix? What is the next step after his appointment? We inform him. Then what? What will you do? You're going to approach him.
But basically, consent has also to be sent, Malad. And there may be chances that Malad, his lordship.
Okay. Appoint Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel, date. Okay. Copy of this order may be given to appoint so-and-so, subject to his consent. Okay. Accordingly, copy of this order to be given. The learned counsels may also take necessary steps. What will you do then? His consent, how will we know? You have to find out.
Malad, basically, consent has to be given. Then the letter has to be, this order has to be given to for consent. Then after Malad,
the councils will give the order. Is it? How is it done? I don't know.
Malad, then after Malad, it will be given to given notice to the parties to submit claims in objection. Once
okay,
Malad,
no, so this order subject to his this thing consent. Okay.
Then after Malad,
Then will leave.
everything has
Then this writ petition stands disposed of. This arbitration petition will stand disposed of.
yes, Malad.
Okay.
There
Then you can take
separate
necessary
claims, counter claims will be given.
Okay.
Yes.
Accordingly, the instant arbitration petition number 06 of 2025 stands disposed of. The parties may thereafter take necessary steps. Okay.
Lordship may kindly direct the registry to communicate, Lordship, on their behalf also, Lordship. We'll communicate, Lordship.
You'll communicate or you give a copy of this order.
Malad, basically, it has to be from registry.
Okay.
Registry.
Copy of this order and necessary communications to be made by the registry. Yes.
Item number 25.
Lordship, this contempt petition is basically for depositing the compensation amount, Lordship. Time and again, they have been seeking time to...
Compliance given or not yet? What happened? Up-to-date status. So you're taking steps, is it?
Malad, I am appearing on behalf of the respondents, Malad.
So what steps are you taking?
Malad, do not time and again, Malad, the assessment...
Up-to-date status has to be given. So what have you done?
Malad, what happened? It has been sent to the Deputy Commissioner, Malad, who is the Land Acquisition Authority, Malad. Thereafter, Malad, the final assessment was also done. That has been again seen. Thereafter, Malad, the time and again, Malad, the assessment after assessment, not yet, Malad, they arrived at final assessment, Malad.
So now there's this letter dated 1st August 2025. Okay, where it says that through verification, the correct amount is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 crores 26 lakhs 50,000 plus so and so. So you have a copy of this thing, communication.
This is the correct amount, Lordship. 2 crore something. This is the correct amount, Lordship. That has already been agreed by the acquiring authority, the Deputy Commissioner. Now, this amount, they are supposed to deposit in the account of the Deputy Commissioner, Lordship. They are yet to do that, Lordship.
So no. Okay, so the Deputy Commissioner now has written to the officer commanding to deposit the said amount into their bank account, isn't it?
Yes.
So, this thing, why have you not deposited that amount?
Malad, this figure is not finalized, Malad. Malad, it was sent to the higher authorities. Then higher authorities has observed that, Malad, basically in the main read petitions, Malad, it was Alilium Tega and 51 others, Malad.
Okay,
But-
so the amount is not deposited
Yes,
because there's some
but my
dispute
lord,
regarding the amount.
But my lord, the deputy commissioner has sent altogether in respect of more than 500 petitioners, my lord.
Hmm.
That is the whole issue, my lord. For re-verification, again, it has been sent to the my lord, deputy commissioner again for,
File this thing, this thing affidavit.
Yes, madam.
Show cause affidavit showing the latest status of now what is happening. Why is the instant petition
Madam,
has not been given?
today only, my lord, I have received a copy
Okay.
by which, my lord, again, it has been sent back to the, my lord, deputy commissioner for final, my lord, the listing of the, my lord, the matters. The how many my lord, petitioners are entitled for the, my lord,
Okay, in the instant contempt petition,
Yes,
how
madam.
much has to be
Yes,
given? Okay, so we'll list another date.
Madam.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, along with Mr. M. Kato, learning respondents number,
Madam, I am for the respondent number.
for respondent number 1. The learned deputy SGI submits that the respondent number 1 is taking necessary steps. However, he needs further time to time to comply with the judgment and order of this court NWPC number. Let's
291,
see.
291.
290. 291 slash
2022, Lordship.
2022, dated
24 July.
24/07/2024, Lordship.
Okay, 24/07/2024. Since the amount to be dispersed to the instant petitioners is yet to be informed by the Deputy Commissioner slash respondent number.
Well, the deputy commissioner is not party here, madam.
Okay, by the Deputy
Commissioner.
Commissioner,
Anjur district.
Anjon District, Hawaii. Full stop. In view of the above submissions, list the matter again after 3 weeks.
2 weeks,
Is it,
Lordship.
2
it
weeks.
should be ready.
Well, once the final list is received, well, we are ready to pay, madam. That is the whole
Okay.
issue.
After, make it 3 weeks then. 3 weeks during the last week of February 2026.
Madam, kindly, madam, mention, I'm representing both the respondents, madam.
Now, I think we have mentioned 1 and 2.
Not only respondent number 1, madam. We have mentioned
Okay, 1 and 2.
1 and 2, madam. 2 has been duly incorporated, madam.
Okay, 1 and 2.
Lordship, can we have a fixed date, Lordship? February 26.
Okay, after 3 weeks, instead of during the last week of February, make it 26/02/20.
26 is holiday.
Holiday, madam.
27 is working day.
27.
27, Lordship. 27.
20 February 2026. Yes.
Obliged,
Yes.
Lordship.
Item number 26.
The respondents, that the seniority list in the grade of assistant engineers in the power (29/10/2025) by learned friends entered appearance. Till date, my lord, no response, no compliance.
What happened?
My lord, instruction is there, my lord. I'm praying for some time to file affidavit, my lord.
But this is a case, what affidavit they will file?
No, you have to simply file a show cause as to why you have not complied with.
Yes, ma'am.
And you have also not preferred to file an appeal.
No
Then
appeal,
you
no
have-
review.
Then you have to comply with.
Yes, ma'am.
So what I am praying, my lord, that there is a last chance, my lord, let the matter be fixed on 2nd of February.
Which their personal appearance will be
Yes,
called
yes.
for.
My lord will kindly observe.
All you have to do is just comply
Yes.
or file an appeal.
Yes.
If you have not.
I ensure, my lord, till next date, we will try to
Get
comply.
it, okay, yes. Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, along with Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for respondent number.
All rest.
Sole respondent.
For learned counsel for the sole respondent, full stop. The learned counsel for the respondent submits that he may be given another date to file his compliance. I think it should be compliance.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, my lord.
Compliance.
My lord, I'm praying for filing of affidavit, my lord. For
Should
that,
be compliance,
Yes.
but otherwise, what else?
Yes.
for specific compliance, my lord, I don't have any instruction.
Okay. Another day to file his affidavit. In view of the above, list the matter after.
On 2nd of February.
Will you be ready by then?
Yes, yes, I had a talk with Mr. Perme yesterday.
Okay, who is that? The
He is,
respondent?
yes,
Yes.
he's a standing counsel for the power department.
Okay.
My learned
In
friend
view
is
of the
associate.
above, list the matter on 02/02/2026 for the counsel for the petitioner to file his affidavit.
Respondent.
Respondent.
Oh, no, to file his this thing affidavit positively by the next date. Yes.
Madam, kindly observe, in the event no affidavit is filed, necessary orders will be passed.
Wait, failing which this court shall file necessary orders. It shall pass, okay, necessary orders.
Item number 27.
Item number 27.
Yes.
On
What is
last
it
two
about?
occasions, my lord, the private respondent have sought time to file their
Who is
counters.
representing the private respondent?
I'm for respondent number 4 and 5 for private respondent. Your Lordship, I need some more time to file our affidavit.
Contacted them?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Yes.
Then do something, isn't it? Because the last order was passed by me, and that was during the month of October last year.
My lord.
Last chance may be
Oh, you want last chance?
Yes.
Because you're going to positively file.
Yes.
Isn't it? Huh? Anyway, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Miss So-and-so, learned counsel for the private respondents number 4 and 5.
That has already filed.
Okay. It is seen that the state respondents have already filed their counter affidavit, while Ms. So-and-so, learned counsel for private respondents number 4 and 5, has prayed for another date to file their counter affidavit by submitting that a last chance may be given. So, in view of the above, this is the matter after 3 weeks on.
16, 1/6.
Will you be able to file? Because you said you want only last chance.
Yes,
So if you want last chance, you have to file on 16, is it? 16/02?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, on 16/02.
Your Lordship,
What?
on 23, Your Lordship.
Okay, since it's last, she herself has submitted that you give me last chance, so we'll give you last chance, okay? On which date?
23rd February.
23/02/2026 for filing the counter affidavit. It may be noted that this is a last chance given to the counsel for the private respondents to file the this counter affidavit. Yes.
Grateful.
Item number 28.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, this matter pertains to tender matter, Lordship. If, Lordship, since the similar matter has been disposed of by this honorable court on 9/1/2025,
2021, Lordship. 2026, Lordship. If my learned friend is agreed, Lordship, in the similar order can be passed, Lordship.
No,
because
but the facts is different, Lord. Yes.
Yes, so similar order cannot be passed, not agreeing. So, and then we have to wait for return of service of notice upon respondent number 5.
Five,
Is this
Lordship.
respondent number 5?
Respondent
The
number-
affected, person. is it?
Yes, Lordship. He is the person like who
To whom
awarded the
this thing
contract,
was
Lordship.
given. Then we'll have to wait.
Yes.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Mrs. So-and-so, learned. Yes, standing counsel
Yes, my lord.
for respondents number
1 to 4, Lord.
1 to 4. It is seen that return of service of notice upon respondent number 5 is still awaited. In view of the above, this the matter.
Lordship, this matter can be, no, Lordship. Because this matter is that there is a stay order. And Lordship, there's a poor villager who is suffering for the stay order
Okay,
passed by this
okay,
office.
in view of the above, this the matter on.
Lordship, this matter may be fixed on 2nd of February, Lordship, because since the stay order was,
2/02/2020.
in the meantime, Lordship, I may be allowed to take a dusty service upon the respondent number
Okay.
5, Lordship.
The learned counsel for the petitioner is also allowed to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 5 through dusty mode, and affidavit to that effect is to be filed accordingly.
Lordship. Interim order pass earlier shall be continued, Lordship.
16, my lord.
Interim order?
Pass earlier shall be continued, Lordship.
Okay, meanwhile, interim order passed earlier.
But it is not the interim. The direction was not to finalize, my lord.
Finalized.
Not
huh? So
but
there's
it has been
already an
finalized.
order, so
Before that, it was finalized, my lord. It
shall
is
not
in our
be finalized, so it's okay, it's not.
No, Lordship, since there's a stay, Lordship, not to finalize the tender process, Lordship.
Wait,
that-
But before that, it was finalized.
Let's see the order.
The order was
The
passed,
tender in question, supply of so-and-so
Lordship.
in respect of block CD upper shall not be finalized.
Lordship, shall not
So
be
it's
finalized.
already there.
Lordship. But that may be continued, Lordship, till the next day.
Shall not be finalized, not
Yes.
be finalized. It's there, that will continue, obviously.
Yes.
Shall not be finalized. How will you this thing?
That may be observed till the next date, Lordship, that may be.
No, it cannot be finalized because the court says it's not to be finalized.
Yes.
So that will not be finalized. It
That-
doesn't say till the next date, it is not to be finalized.
Yes, Lordship, till the next returnable date. In the initial order, it was said like that, Lordship.
Where?
The order was passed on 10/6/2026, 2025, Lordship.
Oh, so it shall not be finalized.
Till the returnable date, Lordship,
It's no, this is the matter after 3 weeks.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, Lordship. That is amount to interim order, Lordship, because of this order, Lordship.
This is 10/6/2025.
Lapse,
So
Lordship.
stays there. So I think in the previous court date, unnecessarily, it just says that till the next date of listing, but the first order is
Lordship.
that it should not be finalized. So it cannot be finalized anyways.
Lordship, because of this order, Lordship.
Because of your prayer made, you have misled the previous court by saying it should not till the next date. But till next date is not required because the first order says that it shall not be finalized. Look at the first order.
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship.
The order was on 10/6/25.
Lordship.
But this one of that agreement was finalized, my lord. It was finalized on 6/6/25, my lord.
It doesn't matter, Lordship, because of that order which has been passed by this honorable court on 10, Lordship, 6/2025.
Yes, that order may be continued, my lord.
Let me get.
10/6/25 may be continued.
Because of that, Lordship, the tender has not been finalized till yet, Lordship. And because of that, there is a poor villagers left who are suffering because of this stay order passed by this honorable court, Lordship. For particular that package, Lordship.
So you want the interim order to continue?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, but okay, meanwhile interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Order
till the next,
10/6 may be continued.
Okay, interim order passed earlier on 10/6/2025.
Yes.
Okay, it's to continue
Lordship.
till the next date of listing.
Lordship. Second of
I think we
February,
have
Lordship.
mentioned.
Lordship.
Item number 29.
My lord, can it be on 16 February? I will not be
No,
here
no,
in the
Lordship.
second week.
No, Lordship, because because Lordship, since this matter was pending since the last
See,
7 months.
let the private respondent
Yes,
be
Lordship.
represented on 2/2, then we'll see.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Deeply obliged.
May I, Lordship? Lordship, the service upon respondent number 4 is still awaited.
Okay,
So
Miss
allow us to take the justice step.
Learned counsel for the petitioner is present and submits that AD card upon respondent number
4.
four is not returned till date. Full stop. The learned counsel prayed that she may be allowed to take steps for issuance of service of notice upon respondent number 4 through dusty mode. Praise aloud. Steps to be taken for upon respondent number 4 through dusty mode by the petitioner. Affidavit to the effect is to be duly filed. List the matter after 3 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship.
Okay, 2 weeks. On, give a date. Then you'll know when to appear. Yes. Before that, you have to file the affidavit. Dusty mode, huh? Give any date.
6th of February, Lordship.
Okay, on 06/02/2026. Yes.
Obliged.
Then the presence of Ms. So-and-so, learned counsel, government advocate for the state respondents is noted. Yes.
Item number 30.
May it please, your lordship. My lord,
When do we
my
fix it?
name appears, my lord. Like, I was appointed by this honorable court for a particular purpose, but in this case, because the earlier council had some difficulty explaining the thing.
Okay.
Subsequently, my lord, Mr. S.R. Rabha was appointed, engaged by the petitioner, who unfortunately passed away yesterday.
Oh, okay.
So, my lord, though I'm no longer in this case, my name may also be deleted. The registry may, my lord, send notice to the petitioner now.
Oh, yes, okay. Mr. Pandey, learned counsel submits that the counsel for the petitioner, Mr.
S.R. Rabha.
S.R. Rabha, has passed away on yesterday's date. Okay. In view of the above submission, registry to take steps to inform the petitioners of the next date fixed for listing of the matter. List on, what date should we fix? List on any date,
17th of February.
17/02/2026. Full stop. It is also seen that the name of Mr. Deepanke has been reflected in the cause list registry to make the necessary corrections. Full stop.
Item number 31.
Just make it registry to take necessary steps.
Your Lordship, my senior, due to some urgency, have left the court premises. So this matter may be adjourned for today, Lord.
On the submissions made by the learned counsels, list the matter again on end date.
Lordship, 10th of March.
On 10/03/2026.
Obliged.